As the detailing industry has evolved, manufacturers have created a variety of smaller machine polishers to meet the needs of professional detailers and technicians. These precise tools are ideal for working on trim pieces, motorcycles, scoops, or even interior pieces. The smaller design allows for them to easily reach places where old-school polishers simply cannot. Lake Country's lineup of mini pads includes a variety of foam formulas and sizes to fit any mini machine, including both rotary and DA. Our premium mini pads let you enjoy the same performance you expect from Lake Country when using a smaller polisher. The mini pads feature a tapered design to prevent pad distortion, and the precise edge is perfect for detailed work. LC Minis use our innovative hybrid foams to allow for a wide range of aggression levels. Get the perfect fit every time with an easy-to-center loop. In addition, Lake Country offers microfiber mini pads to complement the Force mini pads for heavy cutting applications. LC mini microfiber pads can be used on a variety of micro polishers. Available in 2 sizes, microfiber minis make the most of every usable surface. Both sizes are 1/2 inch thick and are ideal cutting pads. You can find a detailed aggression chart for the mini pad line and more product details on our website or in our catalog. Lake Country Manufacturing. Innovation to make life easier.